In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to connect your iPad to TV with HDMI. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to see your iPad type. So whether it's a USB-C or a Lightning iPad. Now, I'll show you how each of the following looks like. So this is how a USB-C looks like, and this is basically used with the latest iPads nowadays. And this is how the Lightning looks like. So this is basically the charging cable. So this is the Lightning cable, and this is the USB-C cable. So first you have to identify which one your iPad uses. Once you have done that, then to connect your iPad to your TV, you need an adapter. Now, if your laptop uses a Lightning cable, then obviously you have to search up Lightning digital AV adapter and go ahead and purchase any cheap one from Amazon. And if your iPad uses a USB-C, do the same thing, go and buy any of them from Amazon, because this thing is needed to connect your iPad with HDMI to TV. Now, once you have bought it, it's pretty straightforward. You have to basically plug the adapter into your iPad, so basically into the charging port. Then you're gonna get your HDMI cable and plug the HDMI cable. One goes right there and the other one goes behind the TV. So this will be something how your setup would look like. So that's the adapter. And then we have the HDMI cable on one here, on this side, and the other one goes to the TV. And then whatever is on your iPad will successfully be streamed on your TV. So that's how simple it is. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.